Welcome to Fortaleza. This is episode 10 of the ultimate journey around the world. Fortaleza is a major coastal city and is a popular tourist destination from people of Brazil. You'll not see people from Europe or North America. We're two retirees hooked on travel. Follow us on our journeys around the world. Good morning, everyone. We're just arriving to Fortaleza, Brazil. It's a beautiful morning, and we've been at sea for 3 days, so we're looking forward to walking around and looking at the city and seeing what there is to see. I love coming into the new ports. You never know what to expect. He's waving. Cruise ships dock at the commercial port away from the Central, which is downtown. There is nothing to see or do near the port. What an absolutely gorgeous picture. There's the rainbow and the city in the distance, our pilot boat. It's a huge city. I've seen pictures, but you don't really get the grasp how big it is till you actually see it. My goodness, a lot of high rises peppering the sandy front beach. It's kind of good to know when you get off, they're going to bus you over to the main outside the port area, and that's the only way. You can't walk around, so you're gonna have to wait in line to get on a bus. Okay, we're in Fortaleza, Brazil, and we were warned that there is kind of a high crime rate here, and we've done business all over the world and in a lot of kind of dangerous areas, so we're familiar with how to prepare ourselves for these kinds of environments. One thing that you need to be sure of that you do is to not look like a tourist. Dress like a local. Don't have anything on your person in terms of writing on t-shirts. Generally, locals do not wear sundresses and shorts and flip-flops. So actually this morning I had a sundress on and I changed my mind. I went and I put pants on, tennis shoes, simple top. Do not wear lanyards with your cruise ship ID tag hanging out. No jewelry, no backpacks. The worst thing you want to do is wear baseball caps. Generally, Americans across the world are known for baseball caps. Most countries don't wear baseball caps. As a matter of fact, I chose not to wear a hat at all because a lot of times, mostly locals don't even wear hats. They don't even use sunglasses, so I might not use my sunglasses. And the way Zarko is dressed, he has a t-shirt on, very simple. Basically, he's dressed with jeans, t-shirts. He does not stick out like a tourist whatsoever. He's even unshaven. He's unshaven and he looks mean. So anyway, be prepared. Think about the way you're getting yourself dressed and the way you look. Okay, there's no need to worry. Even dressed as a tourist, you'll be safe. As long as you don't go to shady neighborhoods, bar hop in the middle of the night, or looking for drugs. If you're going on a tour, you'll be safe, but keep your expectations low at this particular port.
You wouldn't understand.
We just came out of the cruise port terminal, and there's people waiting. Some people are really confused, and they're walking, but there are taxis. We're not going to take a taxi because we don't have the local currency. And the gentleman did say that there is a double-decker shuttle bus that will take us to the Mercado, which I thought that was the case, and that is our plan. Many people gave up without asking or didn't know what to do, and they're walking out, which we don't recommend. We ended up taking an Uber. Apparently, the taxis do take US dollars, but we didn't know that. Some of our friends, though, actually hired a taxi for 5 hours for a tour for $50. The 15-minute Uber ride to Mercado Central was only $4. It's already extremely hot, and as you can see, even the locals, they're not walking in the streets. The weather is so hot, I wouldn't mind exploring more of the city, but in the middle of the day, it's not very pleasant. Zero problems walking the streets, and nobody is hassling us. It's a good idea to have a plan, and it's better to have a backup plan too. Originally, we were planning to ride bikes on the promenade alongside the beach. Impressive buildings line up the whole waterfront. There are many, many hotels catering to Brazilian tourists, but it looks like nobody wants to be here in the heat of the day. So our backup plan is Mercado Central. This is a huge 5-story shopping area with over 500 local vendors. Very authentic Brazilian shopping experience. No H&M, no Starbucks, and nothing you're familiar with as a mall. Different kind of food. They're using a lot of basmati rice. Okay, first things first. We need to exchange some money. So far, it's been a real challenge. You can pay for things with US dollars, but it's less complicated for the vendors to purchase using the local currency. This flea market has everything you can imagine. So like Sarko he's recommending that if you don't want the vendors to hassle you, just say bon dia. And he says it without an accent. And then when we say that, they think you're a local because that means hello, right? But realistically, nobody is hassling us. Everybody is extremely friendly and polite. It's a fun shopping experience. I know. Okay, so there isn't an official like money exchange house or whatever booth, but this man right here, he worked at this, what floor? We're on the second floor by the stairs. Right across the entrance, yes, there's a man here and he's doing money exchange, but it's at this Tina's self-service restaurant. Yeah. Yeah, there's no banks outside. We looked around, there's no official money exchange place. And I wouldn't recommend an ATM, but this guy gave us a good exchange. And yeah, the official rate is 520, gave us 480. And you're in a flea market. You're going to be able to find some stuff here and a lot of really cute, unique stuff. So
I'm ready for a beer. How about you?
I'm still working on my water.
No beer
Let's
yet?
do still a little shopping first.
Okay, and then beer.
Okay, then beer.
All right. Promise?
I promise. It's hot. Too small. No age appropriate. Oh, wow. This has some unique stuff in it. It's all handmade. My gosh, there's so many unique things. Oh my gosh. She's making that?
Yeah.
Oh, the lace. Wow. I have no idea how you could do that. That's a lot of work.
This is so cute. The summer dresses.
Well, these are. What kind of material? Oh my God. They feel almost homemade or like handmade, like nice cotton. With a toucan.
I like this yellow and green. This. With the two buttons.
Oh,
yeah.
yeah. You sure? There's no shape to it.
Tropical.
It's really nice material.
Is it?
Yeah, it's not polyester.
Oh, that's the price.
Okay. See if there's something that has a little bit more shape.
¿Cuántos?
See, like these have some shape.
Yeah.
Oh, 55 real.
Oh, 55. Like about $12, $13.
Oh my God. But I think like something like this has a little more shape, you know? I like this type of shopping. It's like hunting. I want to spend the rest of the day here. You don't get to hunt in a department store. Yeah, you can see the chaos. The people. Can you believe I had my eye on that? I was like, we walked by it in a split second, it caught my eye. So cute. I like the fact that it only has one because this means it's very unique. It's hand painted. It'll look so cute with my dinner dresses at night.
Cabelo, vamos, que a Manuela vai escolher uma. Vai.
Oh, this way here. Bom dia.
That's pretty. That's pretty.
Which one I like?
Looking.
Oh, this.
Ooh,
Huh?
that's pretty too.
¿Cuántos?
35. Qualquer conjunto.
35.
And that's how much?
That 35 is like $7.
I like this part.
Yeah, take that one.
Okay.
Este?
Yeah, este. It's nice they're using the conch shells because a lot of those, you eat the conch, you know, and you have conch fritters and everything like that, but then they just throw the shell out. This is,
So they dyed them or
yeah, there looks like they're dyeing them and it's made out of the shell. It's really cool.
it's big?
Oh, obrigado. Obrigada.
Obrigada, aprendei.
Obrigada.
Obrigado, obrigado.
Obrigada.
Yeah.
Okay, this is fun. I'm having a good time.
Huh?
I'm having fun now.
I,
Yeah. These are very unique things. Oh,
put it on. Give me a bag. Give me a
Tô
bag.
todo trabalhar, tá?
Yeah.
I think they'll be too small. I can't get it around my waist. Well, we were expecting a shopping mall like your Pradas and all your chain like fancy shopping mall, and we were pleasantly surprised with this market. It's all locally made. This is where the locals shop. There's not a lot of touristy stuff here. And everything is unique. There's different stuff from vendor to vendor. It's a lot of fun to shop here. We're enjoying it.
Thank you, thank you.
And you can't beat the prices. This is a lot of fun to shop because it's good prices and stuff is unique. It's all made from here.
Oh. You buy some silver,
We asked our taxi driver to take the scenic route alongside the waterfront. Taxis are cheap. The drivers use the meters and they're not trying to shake you down. It's pleasant compared to some of the popular tourist destinations. So this is right outside the port area. So if you plan to walk, this is what you're gonna face trying to get somewhere. I'm not sure where, but you definitely need transportation. Don't walk. We're departing Fortaleza, Brazil. It's right on time, 5:30 p.m. The sky is beautiful. Checking the waterfront with the zoom lens, the city is awake. Apparently in Fortaleza, people go out after dusk. Goodbye, Fortaleza. There goes our pilot. And we're on our own, heading to our next destination, Recife.
This is our family right here. We're all related.
Yes, yes. I really look forward to coming to dinner every night.
Every night.
That's my favorite time. The ship's
Yes, yes, yes.
After dinner, we're entertained by this famous Brazilian singer. After a day at sea, our next port is Recife. Good night, everyone, from Brazil.